Endoplasmic reticulums are of two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, the other is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, reticulum, endoplasmic reticulum, you can see the structure here, it is given. This is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, here you can see what is it is given. They are the folded series, they are the folded series membrane with ribosomes makes a new protein and a new membrane for the cell. Okay, here you can see how the membrane, they are folded series, one above the other they are present. Okay, here you can see one above the other they are present. And what is said now, they are having what, they are having ribosomes which makes what, new protein and new membrane for the cell. Okay, I hope it is very clear for you. Now smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they too have the same structure, but what is the difference? They don't have ribosomes in them, ribosome is absent. And this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are known as what, they are known as transport vesicles. Okay, which helps the movement of the things. That means whatever the things is needed for the cell, for their growth and for their proper development, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they act as a transport vesicles for the nutrients to provide to the cell. Okay, that means all over the corner of the cells, this endoplasmic reticulum they help. Okay, then the next body is the Golgi complex. Here you can see the diagram of a Golgi complex, one above the other. The membranes are folded in a series and they are like a package. Okay, they are known as what, they are known as Sackels package. Okay, they are known as Sackels package. And what they do, they transport, they transport the things around the cell. And as well as what they do, they release the things what the cell is producing. Cells produces what, cell produces like hormones, cell produce. And then new cells are also produced by the old cells. So these two things are produced by the cells, and this Golgi complex, what they do, they help in the releasing of this two things from the cell. Next is the lysosomes. Lysosomes, here you can see the diagram of the lysosomes, it is given. It's a round circular, okay, like this, like a vacuole. Okay, now what is said now?